Hello everyone! This video is the third in a series of 5 tutorials aiming to introduce the use of the Analytics and Intelligence solution. Here we will see how to simplify the creation of a dashboard from pre-existing ad-hoc views. Once you have authenticated, click on Create Dashboards. The left column makes available different content that can be dragged and dropped to add views to the new dashboard. Drag and drop the corresponding views of the desired dashboard. Here, assignment requests by organization. The view we changed in the previous video, assignment approvals by organization tuto. And finally, users with SOD violations by organization. We will then create a common filter with the 3 added views. Click on Dashboard Properties and then Show Filter. Click Apply, then OK. At the bottom left, you have filters that you can add to the views you have just added. Drag and drop filters you are interested in. Here, user organization. Then click Parameter Mapping. The goal here is to set up and unify each filter for all the added views to the dashboard. Then click OK and save your new dashboard in the private folder in your name. Then find your dashboard in the list of existing content. In order to make it easier to read the data, you can now apply a filter to isolate, for example, one organization among the others and display the associated data. Thank you for watching. If the content caught your attention, do not hesitate to like the video and watch the 4th tutorial that follows. I wish you a great day and see you soon for another video.